and today we are playing this game. I forgot what it was called because I had the memory of a goldfish, but I think it's called spin keycap. Yeah. And anyways, I for some reason I got like a spin when I joined, so thank you. Alright, let's place this.
And tell him that, guys, I'm going to be in this video again.
Huh?
Now, guys, I'm going to be in this video again, everybody. So, yeah.
Yep, he's going to be in another video, so I hope you guys are excited.
I'm sorry, guys, I had to leave for the last video that I was in.
Yeah.
But we're doing it again, so, yeah. And guys, I started my YouTube channel. Please. Yeah.
It's called Gamer Roblox. Go check it out and subscribe, and you'll love him.
Yep. I just did a voice reveal, so
Yeah.
Because my dad helps me.
Help you do what?
Like, fix the mic. Because I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I need a reverse now. Can I reverse now? I need the pastel pink.
Alright, anyways, I think I can afford another keycap. Let's go to the boxes shop.
I'm trying to rebirth.
Yeah, but I don't know how. Wait, how do we rebirth? Oh yeah, I just need a pastel pink keycap. So I'm gonna order a standard box, because that's like the only one that I can afford. Because that's like the only one in stock. Except for I got a pastel blue keycap. I just need a pastel pink. So go back to the standard one. Okay, good. I got I think it's a pastel red. No, it's a pastel pink. All right, I thought I actually got it. All right. I got pastel green. No, don't stop giving me this. I want the pastel pink. Give me the pastel pink. Orange keycap. No, I need the pastel pink. Give me the pastel pink. I just need the pastel pink. That's all I need. A pastel pink. It isn't even that good. White keycap. That's the worst one.
No, it's the black one.
How much does it do? Did you get it?
I'm trying to get one for you.
Oh, I was so close to getting it. Alright, well. I just need a pastel pink one. That's all I need. It isn't even that good. That's something that I'll expect it to give me. Come on. Give me this. Give me pink cheese keycap. Come on. We got this. Yes, I got the pastel pink keycap. Alright, now we can rebirth.
Now I'm going to sell all of these.
Resets cash? Yeah, I don't care. Alright, now we got a little bit more space, which is OP. Alright, so now I'm on rebirth 1, so I think I can go to the boxes shop and buy more boxes. And I am right. Alright, let's get the select box. Let's see what we got. Pastel red. Why does that look pink than red? It doesn't make any sense.
I have 3 select boxes. I got a pastel pink keycap.
How do you sell keycaps? Oh yeah, right here.
I got a new one. I got a new one.
What'd you get?
It's a bunny ears one. Bunny ears keycap.
Alright, select box. Sugar cookie keycap, whatever that is. That doesn't even sound real. I just need the cheese keycap. Alright, we can get the cheese keycap.
Oh, I got the sugar keycap. The sugar cookie.
I already have that.
Me too. I just got it. It's satisfying when you step on them.
Yeah. Kind of like +1 keyboard escape.
Absolutely. Let's buy. Yep, it does. I'm gonna buy.
Come on. We got this. If you just give me the right keycap, then we'll be fine. Oh, I got a Glacky cheese keycap. I think that's what I need to rebirth. Yep.
I need to like the game and join the group. Wait.
You need to like the game and join the group? Don't do that yet.
Why? But I need that for rebirth.
What rebirth?
The rebirth 2. You just have to like the game and join the group to get it.
Oh. Well, I can already rebirth, so let's rebirth.
Wait, why did I play me so? Oh, place.
Alright, now I can get another keycap. I mean another box.
Okay. I'm gonna place this dog.
It costs $25,000. That's easy.
Okay, I need to like the game and join the group.
Alright, like the game and join the group.
Okay, join the group. Stop. Get it there. Alright. Can you upload a cruise one? Because I want to. I don't have permission to join this experience. What do you mean? It's my server.
Wait, alright, this is OP. I can afford the premium box.
I joined back.
Wait, no, I can't. Never mind. It costs $25,000.
Okay, I need a reverse now.
I can spin.
I need to claim it. Now I just need the cheese.
I'm gonna get $5,000. That's the worst thing you can get. What's the hat? Oh, alright, I got 50,000. It's actually OP. Alright, let's see. Another 5,000. Alright, let me get the premium box.
Yeah, how much boxes do you have? How much?
I got 3 premium boxes. Are you serious? Now, if you just give me something good, then this will end. Alright. Alright, well, apparently I got 2 rares and an epic. Awesome.
Oh, birds. Look, you can buy it.
Alright, and then the berry cap, that belongs right here.
You can buy pets.
Alright, let's see if it's still in stock. Yep, there's actually 30 in stock. Nice. Alright, if you just give me something good, then this argument will end. Okay, okay.
I just said that pets And you could buy pets. You can buy pets.
In this game?
Huh?
Where?
There's like 3 eggs or
Oh yeah, there's pets. No pets yet. Go hatch an egg. There's eggs. Can I get this? Wait, they cost money?
yeah.
Wait, no, they cost Robux money?
No.
Where are they?
Oh, yes, I got a cheese keycap.
Wait, I can, wait, basic egg is,
$1,000 on the street.
1,000 a second? Like per click?
What?
I thought you said, oh man, I thought you had something better than that. That scared the crap out of me.
Bro, you're on camera, bro. There's kids out there. Okay, guys, we're gonna do say we're gonna do a part 2 of this. I want you to.
What?
Wait. Bye. I'll see you guys later. I'll part 2 tomorrow.
Alright, bye guys. See you guys later.
Okay.